I just got into Cusco in Peru, in the Andes. It's kind of the gateway to Machu Picchu. I have 90 minutes before the sun goes down, so it's time to explore. So I'm in my room at the Tambopata in the Peruvian Amazon. And it was a bit of a chaotic day today. It was raining in Cusco when I left. I did not sleep well because of the altitude. And I was taking the altitude pills, but they didn't seem to be working. So I'm not sure what was happening there. Then to get here, my plane was delayed, so I didn't land until almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And then it was an hour and a half drive to get to the port before we got in our boat, which took us here. And then we ran out for about an hour before the sun went down. So there wasn't a lot of time to explore, and unfortunately I have no video of today. We'll get video tomorrow, for sure. Definitely going to get some video. But still, I think the crazy thing is, even during that time, still managed to see a lot of stuff. Like even on the drive to the port, there were macaws, there were toucans. It was really cool. But I'm exhausted. It's only 9 o'clock at night. I'm going to bed. And a big part of that is because I didn't sleep last night in Cusco. So hopefully tomorrow, a lot more video and a full day of exploring this part of the Amazon rainforest. I'm back at the lodge after we had a pretty good morning. Went out twice, once before breakfast and once after breakfast. Saw 30 species before breakfast and 41 after breakfast, so that's pretty cool. What I'm finding right now is that it's so dark and everything is so high in the canopy. It's really hard to get a combination of good photos and or videos, and the birds don't stick around very long. So we'll keep going and keep trying our best. I'm at the clay licks, the macaw clay licks on the Madre de Dios. And unfortunately, the birds don't want to come down and eat. So we're seeing a lot of different of parrots and macaws out here, as well as an assortment of other birds. So this behind me is the clay licks where they come down. But so far we've only had some mealy Amazon parrots that have gone down to eat, and unfortunately they're too far away to get any kind of decent photos and video. I did try and take video, but it was pretty bad, as you're about to see.